everyone, welcome back to Quicker Technology, your go-to channel for tech tutorials and coding tips. Today, we are diving into the fundamentals of data structures. Whether you're new to coding or just need a refresher, this video is for you. So let's get started. So, what exactly are data structures? In simple terms, a data structure is a way of organizing and storing data so that it can be accessed and worked with efficiently. Think of it as a container that holds the data in a specific way. There are various types of data structures, each with its own strengths and use cases. Let's explore the main categories. The first one we have is primitive data structures. These are the basic data types provided by the programming language. Examples include integers, which has whole numbers without a fractional part, floats, numbers with a fractional part, characters, which has single alphabetic letter or symbol, and booleans with true or false values. Next we have is non-primitive data structures. These are more complex and can be divided into two main categories. The first one is linear data structure, in which elements are arranged in sequential manner, and the next one is non-linear data structure, in which elements are arranged in hierarchical manner. Now, let's first start with the linear data structure. So, the first linear data structure which we have is arrays. Array is a collection of elements identified by index or key. For example, an array of integers which can be seen on the screen. Next linear data structure which we have is linked list, a sequence of elements where each element points to the next. For example, a linked list of integers. Next linear data structure which we have is stacks, a collection of elements that follows the last in and first out principle. Imagine a stack of numbers. You add and remove numbers from the top. The last linear data structure which we have is queues, a collection of elements that follows the first in and first out principle. Think of a line of people. The first person in the line is the first person to be served. Now, let's look at non-linear data structures. The first non-linear data structure which we have is graphs, a collection of nodes connected by edges. A vertex, also called a node, is a point in the graph, and the edge is used to connect two vertices with each other. For example, a social network graph where nodes represent people and edges represent relationships. The next non-linear data structure which we have is trees. A tree data structure is a collection of nodes connected by edges. Each node contains a value or data which may or may not have a child node. The first node of the tree is called the root node. The last non-linear data structure which we have is heaps, a specialized tree-based structure that satisfies the heap property. For example, a max heap where the parent node is always greater than or equal to the child nodes. Choosing the right data structure can make a huge difference in your program's performance. For instance, if you need fast access to elements by their index, an array might be your best bet. But however, if you need to frequently insert or delete elements, a linked list might be more efficient. Let's take a quick example. Suppose you're building a text editor and need to keep track of the text. You might use a linked list to store the characters because it allows efficient insertions and deletions. Understanding data structures is crucial for efficient programming and problem solving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Quicker Technology for more tech tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thank you for watching and happy coding.